Hey, one more time, a big congratulations on getting access to Client Finder. Now, as a special upgrade opportunity, I've kept something really amazing and special until now. You may have seen a lot of reseller packages, but I bet you've never seen such a package ever. But before I tell you more about it, let me happily inform you that your days of struggling to get paying clients are over, because you now have Client Finder. That makes finding targeted leads the easiest thing to do. But wait a minute, have you figured out how to truly maximize your earning potential and make your offer funnels deep, congruent, and even recurring? I have something very special in store for you. What if you can upsell every client with an offer that is recurring? I mean adding up a recurring element to your funnel that will ensure that each client keeps paying you month after month without you doing any work for them. Crazy, right? What if you get reseller rights? Not to one, but rather 6 top quality softwares, including Client Finder. What if you could sell as many copies of these software as you like and keep 100% of the profits for yourself? And to go one more step further, what if you can upsell all your clients who have local businesses and are in dire need of such solutions and charge them yearly, quarterly, or even monthly to use these apps for their business? Will you still call it crazy? Seriously, I am today offering you a unique opportunity to make insane profits selling 6 high in-demand apps and keeping 100% of the profits. Presenting Client Finder Local Agency Apps, 6 world-class apps, DFY sales websites, high-impact sales videos, DFY Facebook ads creatives, banner ads, professionally written email swipes, and conversion-boosting bonuses. Client Finder Local Agency Apps is your shortcut to kickstarting your own successful software business without going through years of trial and error, failure, and challenges. There's no need to worry about all of the high costs, headaches, coding, and creativity that go into building a quality app from scratch, or even managing it or updating it. We handle everything for you. You also spare yourself the endless months and years it takes to develop and fully test one quality app. We've already done all that heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is focus your time and energy on sales, and you have a full 30 days to do that. With finding clients becoming ridiculously easy with Client Finder, coupled with our top quality sales pages, videos, and other marketing materials, that's enough time for you to test the waters and make tons of money. All 5 apps are fully cloud-based and accessible from a single dashboard with one secure login. There has never been a software suite and turnkey business package like this at such a low one-time price. It's available only during this exclusive introductory offer. After the launch period expires, the page will close down. So scroll down below, check out the full details and demo of all 6 apps. And when you're done, go ahead and lock in your instant access to Client Finder Local Agency Apps. I'll see you on the inside.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.